Hey guys, we're just doing a quick video introduction to the New South Wales Battery Rebate, which is about to launch on the 1st of November. There's two parts to the rebate. So best one is the peak reduction certificates, which apply to a battery installation. So for every 100 watts or 0.1 of a kilowatt for peak reduction, so that's a time obviously when there's a lot of pressure on the grid and not too much solar, one peak reduction certificate or perk will be applied, which roughly for the batteries that we use translates to, for an 11 kilowatt hour BYD 4-stack, just over $1,600. For a Powerwall 2, which is just over 13 kilowatt hours, about $2,000. And for the Sungrow 9.6 kilowatt hour SBR, which is the start point for that battery, just over $1,400 there as well. For the best one to apply, you have to have an internet connection and obviously have the system installed. There's a form that is completed between the installer and the homeowner, which just obviously indicates which battery is going to be installed. So there's an approved list of the batteries, obviously an approved list of the installers. That gets signed off prior to the installation, which obviously allows your installer to claim the perk rebate post-install. For this financial year, for the launch, there's about 8 million perks that are available. That sounds like quite a lot, but when you translate it to an average battery installation, if we use the Tesla Powerwall 2 at 13.2 kilowatt hours, it's about 7,300 battery installations statewide. There's obviously been a lot of knowledge about this rebate for quite a few months. I'm sure, like ourselves at GeoEnergy, we've got a lot of clients that are waiting and have been waiting for this battery rebate to launch to install a battery. So we can see that there will be and potentially be quite a quick turnaround in that number of certificates being absorbed by obviously a large number of installers across the state, with a backlog of existing clients as well as new clients. The rebate will apply for retrofit batteries for PV only installations, but it won't apply for existing battery installations. So if you've already got a modular battery, say with 11 kilowatt hours of storage, and you want to add some more modules, the perk rebate won't apply in that installation, in that instance. What may apply, or what will apply if you want to choose it, is Best 2, which is a VPP. It'll be a couple of $100 in year one and a couple of $100 if you elect a couple of years down the line. I'd speak to your installer who put that system in to see if that is worthwhile. That Best 2 of a couple of $100 will also apply for new installations as well. The battery perk rebate will apply up to 28 kilowatt hours of battery storage installation. So if you had a larger modular battery, maybe a full stack or maybe 2 split stacks, that'll be around $4,000 that are applied to 28 kilowatt hours. Because of that, the value of these perks may fluctuate over time because there's a lot of different battery sizes, there's a lot of installers, and there's a lot of different products that are on that approved list, some very small, others obviously at a very reasonable size, which will make a huge difference to your energy bill and your energy consumption. There'll be a lot of auditing that'll apply to the traders of perks. So similar to STCs, the government rebate that's existed for many years on the panels, the trader that creates the certificates that obviously incentivizes the homeowner and obviously makes up the shortfall for the installer to claim post-installation will be undergoing a lot of audits through this process based on that limited number of perks that are available. To apply, reach out to obviously your installer, ourselves, and make sure that we're looking at the appropriate battery for your needs and for your home, single or 3-phase, obviously sized around what you need. When you're happy with that system, there's a form that's completed between the installer and the homeowner. There's a small deposit that's required across the board of $200 plus GST as part of that form. So if it's a fully financed battery, there's still a small deposit that's done prior to the installation. Obviously then the balance is payable post-install and the perks are obviously making up the shortfall for the installer. This is something we've been really excited about at GeoEnergy for quite a few months now. We've had a lot of existing clients and obviously new clients that have been looking at storage. So if this is something you've been considering for your existing system or for a new system with solar and a battery, this is amazing. This is really the time to do it. The technology is awesome. The offset on your power bill, obviously the cost of electricity has just been going up and up. So this will make a really, really big difference to your electricity bill. You're then creating and storing your own power, which from having a battery myself is a really, really uplifting feeling. It's great when you look at your app at 7, 8 o'clock at night and you can see your house running off pure battery power. Pretty cool. So reach out to us. We'd love to help you and we'll design the appropriate system based on your needs. Thanks.